Hello, and welcome to the Command Template Best Practices artifact. This artifact showcases the best practices to be followed and how to handle certain edge cases in the app command templates by showcasing certain hidden features of the app. This artifact was built to serve as a demo artifact rather than being a production-ready artifact. The use cases we'll cover today will include skipping over commands if certain conditions are not met, extracting values from the output of a command template to use as an input for another command template, and looping over a command template over and over again by using the variables from an input array. The user can run this artifact through automation catalog, and the user can select the use case they want to run and a device they want to run the artifact on. Going over the README, we can go in detail about use cases. The first use case being the skip command flow. As in the example shown here, we are checking the show CPU, which gives you the CPU utilization of the device. We're checking it if it's greater than 90%. We skip over 3 commands and move directly to step 5, which is another command template. And we do that the same for the show memory command template. We check for a percentage value in the eval and skip over step number 3 to go directly to step 4. So this is how you would do skip commands in command templates. In use case 2, this one deals with extracting the value of a command template and using it as an input variable for another command template. So in this one, we do show CPU on a device, which gives you the CPU utilization of the device. We query it out. We send that as an input for another command template, which is the show memory command template. And then we do an eval and check if the percentages are more or less than each other. In the third use case, we loop over an input array of percentages to be checked against a device by using the show memory command template. The for each loops over every value in this array and runs the show memory command template against each value and gives the output. The way you would do it would be to design a command template in a particular way, as shown here. You would design the value to be a variable which would be passed in through workflow. If the name of the variable is memory underscore percentage in the command template, you would send an object which has the key as memory percentage and the value as the percentage you want to check. The way you would run the artifact would be through automation catalog. You would go to automation catalog, find the artifact, the automation for the artifact there, and click on run. This artifact has a use case dropdown where the user can select the use case, and then the user can select a device. And for use case 3, the user can also input a memory percentage array and can add as many items as the user wants. After the user has put in the array, the user can click on run, and the automation would start. The user can go to Job Manager and click on Active Jobs and find and monitor the run of the artifact. Thank you for watching this demo.